You must have spent hours using your smartphone, either texting or talking. Did you know you could convert those hours into money? Well, working at home has just gotten better, and you can easily get paid to chat. If you love talking and don't mind texting for long hours, then there might be an incredible chance here for you. But who would pay you to chat? Well, quite a number of individuals and companies are willing to pay you just to keep their clients engaged. Let's see what are the ways you can make money by chatting online. Welcome to Golden Rules. Number 1. People of expertise are always pestered with questions and queries all over the world. Premium Chat is an online app that has devised a way such people can generate revenue from their knowledge and expertise. For a person with a steady fan base and followers of social media, making money through Premium Chat is even easier. It provides the ultimate platform where they can get paid per minute through live chat and by answering questions from their followers. The platform is open for counselors, coaches, advisors, and influencers working in any field of their choice. Influencers and advisors can set their own rates and payment modes according to their popularity and expertise. Also, they can set different rates for live chatting and posting informational responses for their fans. Users can simply begin by creating their personal profile as they would on a typical social media chatting platform. The profile, referred to as a paid chat widget on the portal, should include the user's basic credentials, an insight to his personality, and a sneak peek into the wisdom and benefits online followers can receive from them. Along with that, a standard chat rate is mentioned on every user's profile, as per a defined time duration, that's visible to every person seeking advice. This way, the portal maintains complete transparency for its users. Most importantly, if you're an influencer hoping to set up a paid chat account, you can start right away. Number 2. Amazon is another great company that also hires people to chat with customers. As an e-commerce service delivery company, Amazon regularly employs chat support representatives to talk with their customers and answer their questions. As an agent, you will communicate with the customers via online chat tools and help resolve their queries and shopping needs. These Amazon jobs are usually part-time based and occur mostly during busy holiday months. Therefore, if you want to make money as an Amazon chat representative, you can try your luck between the months of September and January. The best thing about working at Amazon is that you have a chance to be permanently employed if you show outstanding performance. Also, they have attractive compensation rates. Number 3. Working Solutions is also a firm that employs and pays individuals to offer chat services. Typically, they require you to have good communication skills, as well as some experience in online chatting for you to be considered. The firm offers different companies the opportunity to enjoy the services of a flexible contact center that is also scalable to meet their customer expectations. This means that they are frequently hiring agents to be able to provide the necessary on-demand call center solutions. Working Solutions works similarly to online teaching jobs and, therefore, can be done virtually from anywhere. However, there is a difference in that there is no actual teaching here. On the contrary, Working Solutions hires chat agents to offer customer services, sales, and technical support services. When hired as an agent, you are free to work remotely, even from your house. Your job is to communicate with customers and offer customer service as required. In terms of payment, you will earn something between $7 and $30 per talk time hour. Therefore, if you want to convert the time you spend online chatting to cash, Working Solutions offers one of the best platforms for that. Number 4. If you are looking for a company that will pay you good money to chat, LiveWorld is one of them. The company employs chat agents who are assigned various duties such as social media moderation, customer service, engagement, and monitoring to determine and escalate topics, trends, sentiment, and other emerging issues. However, to be part of LiveWorld chat team, you must possess certain skills that include excellent communication and typing skills, multitasking skills, outstanding grammar, spelling, as well as punctuation skills. Whether you want to work from home or want a part-time online opportunity, LiveWorld offers both job categories. Therefore, you are free to work from anywhere. Number 5. Can you work in a call center? Well, Asurion is typically a call center firm. The firm employs work-at-home online chat agents, either on a part-time or full-time basis. Therefore, whether you are looking for an extra gig or a full-time job, Asurion is an incredible place for you. They offer the best opportunities for you to get paid to talk on the phone. The best thing with Asurion is that it hires people as young as 16 years, which makes it an excellent option for teenagers to earn money. The company allows you to create your own working schedule and pays an average rate of around $10 to $12 per hour. Number 6. This one is a platform that employs live operators to respond to queries made by various people. These questions are usually from various professionals like lawyers, doctors, mechanics, engineers, business people, and more. Therefore, you must also provide professional answers, which are well researched and phrased. In terms of compensation, JustAnswer will pay you a certain percentage of the total accepted answers. For instance, you can get between $5 and $30 for every accepted answer. Therefore, if you are good at chatting and are looking for a way to get paid to chat, then this might be your thing. However, if you know you are not good at research, you might as well stay away from this. To cash out your money, you must have a minimum of $20. Number 7. With Fiverr, it offers freelancers a platform where they can earn from the skills they possess. Therefore, if you want to get paid to text message people, then you can apply for jobs that require such services. Unlike most other freelance platforms, Fiverr offers a unique model through which freelancers can set up gigs of what they do best. Therefore, if talking and chatting is your thing, you can as well get paid to chat with people who require these services. All you need is to sign up and set up your own gig and wait for interested people to buy. Do you have any idea going in your mind? Which can help others to make passive income online? Then share it with us in comment box. We may consider sharing your idea in our next video. This list is not finished here, we have a lot more to share with you, so make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you never miss any of our upcoming videos. We'll see you next time. Till then, do yoga, stay healthy, wear mask and maintain social distancing. God bless you all.